Let's do my makeup. I'm using Danessa Myricks and Milk Makeup. Milk and Danessa, the outer corner, and then Milk goes in the middle. I'm gonna start it with Clinique. Gonna get something to fan it down. My brows, I'm gonna be using Urban Decay color correcting with Kosas, and we're going to just use my brush. Rare Beauty. This is in the shade Trigwell. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit there. Beauty Pie. This is the Beauty Pie bronzer. Just gonna stamp that in. Gonna use my Natasha Denona. And then I'm gonna use my Danessa Myricks just in the middle and just at the top. I'm gonna be using my Clinique. Start blending. Blend. I'm gonna mix my Kylie Cosmetics with a pinch of L'Oreal True Match. Taking my clean brush. Just put it in there. Okay, this is a good mix. That is really nice. And then I'm just gonna blend my nose. Bring this down. And then start blending. Look up. I'm gonna go in with the Elf Labs. Just put that there, just to warm the top. And then I'm gonna bring that down. I'm gonna be using Elf. Then I'm going to blend this. Just concentrating in the middle. That's it. I don't know, but there's something about this Tarte or Tate blush that every time I use it, I am obsessed with it. Look at that. It's been used. And just placing it. Oh, so good. Bring it to the high top. And just put it there. And then I'm gonna use Rhode Sun Hook just to top that up. Just to intensify it a bit. That's it. Because I really want it to pop through. If you haven't tried using a translucent powder first and then going in with whatever powder that you use, then this is me telling you to try it. I'm going to show you how it would just make your makeup look flawless. I tried it the other day for my shoot and my makeup stayed. Under eye was good with a zoom in and it just looks perfect. So first I use one size. You can get this from Sephora. You can use my Sephora code as well. One size translucent powder. And then I'm gonna go in with my Huda powder. This is in Cherry Peach. I always use the combo together. Going in with one size. Dust it off. Okay. Always start with your under eye first. The forehead. And I'm going to do my brows. I'm just gonna go in here. And then I'm gonna go in here. And then yeah, make sure it is smooth. And then just look up and pipe in. Now I'm gonna reverse because I don't want this to stay. I'm just gonna quickly do that so it doesn't stay too long and it doesn't give me that sharp edge. And then here as well, blend into the everything out. I'm gonna leave this there, and then we're gonna do the eyes. I got this from Sephora. This is Mario. So this is in the shade Stone, and this is just to prep the eye, like a flutter. Huh? Something really. Just gonna freestyle this. I'm just freestyling this. The best part of makeup. I'm gonna bring it on this. Nose. Gonna bronze the nose. I'm gonna use the Bare Minerals. This is a foundation powder. This is a foundation brush powder, and this is in the shade Deep. This is so good. Highly recommend. Just mineralize the whole thing. This YSL blush, and I absolutely love it. It's kind of like a neutral peach. Do not underestimate this blush. I'm gonna use this other YSL blush. This is more of a pinky, and then this just goes all the way at the top. Beauty Crop in shade Shade. My Sephora. Then I'm gonna go in with Clinique.